Have you ever wondered about the incredible power of healing? How does our body mend itself after an injury or illness? What if I told you that the key to understanding this phenomenon lies in the fascinating world of physics? Get ready to unlock the secrets of the physics of healing as we delve into the extraordinary forces at play in our own bodies. Prepare to be amazed as we explore the hidden science behind the miraculous process of healing. Stay tuned, because this is a video you won't want to miss. Welcome to our video on the physics of healing. In this captivating exploration, we will delve into the intricate mechanisms that enable our bodies to heal themselves. From mending broken bones to fighting off infections, our bodies possess an extraordinary ability to repair and regenerate. But have you ever wondered how this remarkable process actually works? Today, we will uncover the underlying physics behind healing, shedding light on the forces and energies that come into play. So, get ready to embark on a fascinating journey into the world of healing and discover the scientific marvels that make it all possible. Let's dive in. To understand the physics of healing, we must first explore the concept of cellular mechanics. At the cellular level, our bodies employ a variety of physical processes to repair damaged tissues. One such process is mechanotransduction, which involves the conversion of mechanical forces into biochemical signals. When an injury occurs, cells in the affected area sense the mechanical strain and respond by initiating a cascade of events that promote healing. Another fascinating aspect of healing is the role of electrical signals. Our bodies generate small electrical currents that play a crucial role in the healing process. These electrical signals, known as bioelectricity, help regulate cell migration, proliferation, and differentiation. They act as guiding cues, directing cells to the site of injury and promoting tissue regeneration. Furthermore, the principles of thermodynamics also come into play during the healing process. Heat is generated at the site of injury, which increases blood flow and accelerates healing. This phenomenon, known as thermogenesis, aids in the removal of waste products and the delivery of essential nutrients to the healing tissues. Additionally, the laws of biomechanics play a significant role in healing. Forces such as tension, compression, and shear stress exerted on tissues during movement or physical therapy can stimulate cellular responses that promote healing. Understanding these biomechanical forces allows healthcare professionals to design targeted therapies and rehabilitation techniques to optimize the healing process. As we continue to unravel the physics of healing, it becomes clear that our bodies are truly remarkable systems, finely tuned to repair and regenerate. By harnessing the power of physics, we can gain a deeper understanding of the intricate processes that enable us to recover from injuries and illnesses. So, the next time you witness the miraculous healing of a wound or the mending of a broken bone, remember that it is the hidden physics at work, orchestrating the remarkable symphony of healing within us. As we conclude our exploration of the physics of healing, we are left in awe of the intricate processes that govern our body's ability to heal itself. From mechanotransduction to bioelectricity, thermogenesis to biomechanics, the forces and energies at play within us are truly remarkable. Understanding the physics of healing not only deepens our appreciation for the complexity of our bodies, but also opens up new possibilities for medical advancements. By applying the principles we've discussed, researchers and healthcare professionals can develop innovative therapies and interventions to enhance the healing process and improve patient outcomes. We hope this video has shed light on the fascinating world of the physics of healing. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more intriguing scientific explorations, and share it with others who might find it interesting. We would love to hear your thoughts and suggestions, so please leave a comment below with any video topic ideas you'd like us to cover in the future. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey into the physics of healing. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep marveling at the wonders of the world around us.